Hello everybody, this is a Lamley showcase. Maybe a preview to a certain extent because these are just hitting in the United States, and this video is brought to you by these folks. It's Wheel Collectors. They're the ones who sent me these models, Satin and Chrome. They have them available if they haven't sold out in their store now. They just arrived. They told me about them. I said, send over a set. We did an unboxing video so you can kind of get a sense of what's in the case. It's a 24 count case. Now it's time to look at the models. It is a 6-car set. It is called Satin and Gold. I don't see Satin and Gold set anywhere, but that's what it said on the order form that that Wheel Collectors got when they got their sets. They got their palette. Nonetheless, you can see it's very similar to the Black and Gold series from the 50th anniversary last year, and considering every car has a number 51 on here, it looks like we're just going to celebrate every year of Hot Wheels, which is kind of fun. We'll when it's like 113 or something like that. Hopefully I hope I'm not doing the videos back by then, but we'll just continue to showcase these models. So this is the 6-car set for year number 51. I figure they liked what they did last year, so they're doing it this year. 6-car set. Like I said, we'll get to all 6 of these, plus a 7th chase. They don't mark it in the card, but it's there if you find it. And from the unboxing that we did, there's only 1 chase per case. So, considering I think it's like 3 or 4 of each other car, only 1 per case. Embossed card still. I don't know if that can be really seen. They can kind of see that with in the glare of the light, but this is an embossed card. Once again, it's not as, I would say, as tight as the other one, but it's still that same kind of style. You can see that the car, this like silhouette from the top of the car, the details are shown on the card. All right, let's just get right to it. I don't think these are numbered, so we're just going to open them up, and we might as well start with this one. It is the Custom 71 El Camino. We saw this one. This is an actual Hot Wheels car, a real car in black. It was introduced in black. I think it's been a regular treasure hunt. All of these look to be in this matte gray color with gold trim. I wonder if there'll always be kind of a gold highlight here. But this one looks very, very cool. There's some cars that I'm going to be more interested in others. This one is a nice El Camino. It's a little bit Hot Wheelsed out with the big, was that a turbine or jetpack in the back? For this car, but that one is very cool. That is the Custom El Camino. Another one. I don't know exactly what the what the approach is to this set. Maybe just kind of a nice variety of castings. So you'll have some Hot Wheels originals, you'll have some muscle, you'll have obviously some Japanese in here. Just kind of an array of just popular Hot Wheels castings. This is the Aristo Rat, designed by Dima. There we go, out of the shadow. Aristo Rat. Cool rat rod, if you will. Not if you will, it is a rat rod. Looks like the number 51 is going to be done differently in every car. So the same color combination, especially like the gold, chrome, and then I guess they would say maybe the gray, that matte gray is like this satin color. But that is the Aristo Rat. I'm going to keep these in the middle, because I will get to those. We'll do the chase last. Next one, 63 Chevy. Another one. This has been a super treasure hunt, right? In pink, which I thought was pretty nice looking. Where is the number 51? Oh, it's there. You have to barely make it out in gold there on the back, but it is there. I think this is cool. Like, each car has the same color combination, but definitely different looking decos. I think all of them have gold rims on it too. That one is very cool. Next one. Custom 67 Pontiac Firebird. We have seen several versions of the Firebird. This is the casting that's based on Brendan Vituski's actual car. He did it. I don't think he still has a hood on his. And remember, when it was first introduced, it was introduced in Zamek because his car is actually a brushed metal raw Firebird. It's been at car shows and everything else. It's super, super cool. You can look it up. But we've seen this one in several colors since. It's also been a Zamek outside of its original debut. And here it is now, looking very similar with the gold rims, cool trim, and then the gold engine, which is kind of nice too. So that's a cool car. I'm sure Brendan has it in his, or will be in his collection. All right, chase over here. Let's get to the last two. These are the two that I think are the best. In fact, while the 510 Wagon is the casting I'm most interested in, this Superbird is awesome. Racing Deco, Plymouth on the back. I think Plymouth likes to have their name on the car. I like that they did, the Dodge Daytona looks very similar to this casting, but this is the Superbird. And I don't know why I like the Superbird better than the Daytona, but I do. And I just think maybe the nose is a little bit different. There's not much difference between the Daytona and the Superbird, but I really like this one. I love that it was put on the steely rims, which are very, very nice. And I mean, deco-wise, with the 51 on the door, this one may be the best one because it looks so good with those wheels. I am fond of that one. And last of the 6 is the Datsun 510 wagon. You know this will be the signature model outside of the chase that everyone will want, and I don't blame them. It's an awesome casting, and if you look closely, you have the number 51 roundel, and then Hot Wheels in Japanese in that stripe, if you look. You've got the side stripes, too, that kind of to have a nod to the BRE deco. Gold interior. Doesn't have the chrome base, but it really doesn't need it, especially with that chin. That is a cool model. Datsun 510 wagon. There's certain castings people always be excited about. All right, let's get to the chase. This is great. We'll look at the little image here so you can kind of get a sense of what it is. They're having fun. And this is Hot Wheels at its most Hot Wheels-y, I think, with castings like this. They've had a ton of fun with these. I think Brendan designed it. It's the Gotta Go. And when you roll it around, oh, okay. When you roll it around, the toilet seat pops up and down. But how great is the chrome toilet bowl? That's just fun. That's just having fun. You know, the front grill is made to look like a urinal. Did you know that about the Gotta Go too? This car is just goofy. It's just hilarious. And then I think the cab is supposed to look somewhat like an outhouse. That's just pure fun. That's a great chase model. You know what? This is the kind of model that if they made a Super Treasure Hunt, I would think was just awesome. But they have made it a chase in this set, and I just love the Gotta Go. There you go. 6-car set. I don't know. If I remember the black and gold series, I saw it at Kroger stores. I saw it at Kmart stores. May have seen it elsewhere, but I don't remember. And my guess is that we'll see that similarly. I don't know if it's set for Walmart or Target, but it has been seen internationally. And I'm guessing because the hobby dealers are getting it, that it will be seen very soon in other stores as well. So look for it. You see that, Gotta Go. Snag it up. Thanks, everybody. We got more to come. Bye.